In this video, we will see how to show a specific view on an action. So currently when I click on this tips and tricks, that is my custom model, you can see that tree view is getting loaded by default. So let us see how we can change this view when I click or when I perform an action for that model. So here you can see I have defined the ir.actions.act window, which defines that particular action in order to open that model. And here we have mentioned the corresponding model, the view modes, that is tree and form. And here you can see the view ID. The ID or the record ID which we mentioned inside this ref will be loaded when we click on this menu item or this action. So here currently it is tree views record ID, and that is this one. So now I am just changing it to the form view of the model, so that the view will be changed to form view when I click on that action. And when I just upgrade this module, upon upgrading this, we expect that while clicking these tips and tricks, the form view will be loaded instead of the tree view. Yes, as you saw before, as you have seen before, at first when I clicked on this model or the action, the tree view was loaded, and now since we changed the view of using the view ID, we got the form ID. This is how we change the or we show specific view on an action.